Okay, the last tool in simulation menu for hair is this hair symmetry and symmetry manager. I explained it dynamic interpolation before. It's for dynamic. If you play, you don't need to every time you play, just active dynamic interpolation. Okay, if you select brush, and if you want to brush something here, and if you want to symmetrically do in other side, you have to first go into the hair symmetry manager. This window will be pop up. This hair symmetry is just toggle. It's just a button like this that you can activate it. If you activate it, first thing is a search. It's a search distance. You can see it just searching to find a symmetry object in a symmetry objects. If you have some issues, you can increase this number for searching. The coordination is mean which axis do you want to be symmetry. You can see, always look at it, look at like a local, because maybe your object, the word coordination word is this word object word system of the software, but maybe your object something like this, your object are rotating and you want to find it and locally doing that, it's better. So going to the brush, selecting the hair, and you can see if I click and drag this part, you can see based on the y and z, based on the mirror y and z, it's mirroring and doing symmetrically object. Nice. You can make it like a custom, means if you want, for example, you can create a null object, and the null object is here. You can, for example, you want to make symmetry by this object, you can drag and drop this object here. And now if you go into the brush, select the hair, you can see base this object. I think you have to change the mirror axis. Yeah, you can see based on this object and this mirror, you can find symmetrical things, but you have to see the axis of that object. Based on the axis of this object, it will be changing, not the axis of the plane. So you, for example, x, y, based on this axis are symmetrically changing that. For example, change it here, brush again, select the hair. You can see it does not work because it's not exactly in a symmetry part. So it has to be exactly at the center. You can see the object is, if you select the object, it's a little bit tricky. So make it locally, change the good part and do it again. So with this symmetry, you can turn it on or off if you want. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.